Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to cover how to cover global styles so you're not changing it for every single page and every single button, but yet in one single place. It'll also change the colors for AutoWP's dynamic shopping, so it will match your site's colors. So let's dive right in. I've already inputted all my products into my page. If you don't know how to do that, I'll put a card in the top right corner. But now to change the color of the buttons, we need to go to the dashboard, go to Appearances, Editor, and then on the left-hand side, Styles. The great thing about full site editing is that every theme has the ability to change global styles in the same way. The only difference is the presets that will come with the theme. As you see in AutoWP, we have quite a few. But to see how it's going to change our shop page, we actually need to go back, Templates, Categories, and now you click into Categories. And if we click this up in the top right corner, Styles, Browse Styles. And now when we click, we're going to see what effect it has on our store. As you see, we have quite a few of presets that will give you nice contrasting colors. And that's the important thing. You want your price to be very, very prominent. Also, the add to cart, very, very prominent so they can see it. Now you're not stuck with these colors. You can edit and change them to match your brand, or you can, if you don't have brand colors, you can just use the presets. But to change them, we need to go back, colors, and here's your color palette. So these are the theme colors. There might be more, there might be less, depending on which theme you have. But you can edit them from here. Change it totally whatever you like. And this will change every spot that the theme has it set up to change these colors. Now let's say that we want to just change the background. We can again go back, background, and say we want it to be white. And then we've changed it to white. We're obviously going to want to change text to black. Change headings to black. As you can see, the heading still hasn't changed, so sometimes you might need to actually go into the block and edit it from there and get the text black. And there we have, we changed our shop to a red button and a black background. Now this will change all the colors for your site, and they'll all match and all work together, even in dynamic shopping. So let's take a look at the front end. And there you have it. A little under 5 minutes, we have changed the whole tone of our website and customized it to exactly how we liked it. And it also affects dynamic shopping and helps your customers shop and browse your shop quickly and add to cart from just about anywhere. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.